Hello everyone! Today, we're going to draw a bubble fish. First we make a sketch with a pencil. Draw an oval for the body. Draw the tail with a half circle, a horizontal line, 2 wavy lines at the end, and 2 more half circles inside the tail. Divide the body with a curved line. Draw a fin at the top and the bottom of the fish. Both are a curved line with 2 lines inside. The side fin has a drop shape. The letter U makes a closed eye. Draw a bean shape with a curve inside for the mouth. Add a curve for the puffy cheeks. 3 circles for the bubbles. And our pencil sketch is done. Good job! Take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Make one shape of the tail and the body. Connect the tail to the body with one smooth line. Go over the remaining lines from the sketch. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Now give your fish some beautiful colors. Leave a little circle white in each bubble. And we are all finished. Congratulations! Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.